How to hide your profile picture from specific contacts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your profile picture from specific contacts on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these three lines in the top, and now just click this one, settings, and here you will find account. Click on it and then just click privacy, and here you will find profile photo. Just click on it. Now all you need to do is just click this one here, select it and select the contacts, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.